Hi everyone, this is the first assignment for Module 6, working with publisher tables. The first thing we're going to do is create a word art logo that we'll use in several other documents within this module. So go ahead and choose Open Publisher and choose the, I already started, but choose the very first one, which is the blank 8.5 by 11. And then what we're going to do is change the orientation. If I was opening this one, I would have chose the 11 by 8.5, which is landscape, but we'll do it this way according to the book. So you'll choose page design, click orientation. Right now the default is portrait. Choose landscape, so it puts it on its side. And then what we'll do is we'll create a business information where you'll type in all that information so that later on whenever you want to refer to it with the name of the business, the street address, the phone number, fax, and so forth. So what you'll do is you'll choose the Insert tab and you'll click Business Information, and this is Edit Business Information, and we're going to choose New. And then you'll fill in the information. So we'll continue in the business information, fill in the information for individual name, job position, organization is left blank, the address, phone, fax, and email. The tagline is impacting the future. We are going to remove the logo, no logo. And then the name of this will be business information set name HCRS. Click Save, update publication. Now we're ready to create our word art logo. Click the tab Insert, choose Word Art, and then we'll select the one that says Fill, None, Outline Red. And in here you'll type your text, which is Harris, and then you'll press Enter, College. And the font type we'll choose. Click the down arrow for the font selection, and they would like Century Schoolbook. And the size should be 36, and then click OK. And it's in the center of the document, which is fine. Then we're going to add some special features to this. You'll choose the Shape Fill arrow, and then we'll select Accent 5 White, darker 25%, so I got to read the rest of the directions. 25% is right here, so it's kind of a gray color. So Accent 5 White, darker 25%. And then the outline, the shape outline, you will choose red from the standard colors. And then we'll go back to the shape outline, and then we'll choose the weight of it, and we want 2 1/4, 2.14. So it's a little bit thicker. Now what we'll do is we'll change the alignment. So you'll choose alignment in the far left where it says under the group called text, alignment, and you will choose align left. And it just brought, didn't move the document to the left-hand side, it just moved Harris to the left. So they're aligned with Harris and College is aligned. Next, we'll work with shape effects on this logo. So if it's not selected, go ahead and select it, and you can tell because it's surrounded by a box. It's the active object, and we'll click in the Word Art Tools format. Under Shape Effects, we could add a shadow effect, a reflection, a glow, soft edges, bevel. But we're going to go to 3D rotation, and the one they're looking for is called Off Axis 1 Right. So it turns it on its side. Now what we're going to do, as you can see that the 3D enhancement is very large, so we're going to reduce that gray look. So we're going to go back to Shape Effects, 3D rotation, and then we'll come down to 3D rotation options. When you select the 3D rotation options, if it's covering the logo, just hover up to the title bar and drag it out of the way. Now we'll select 3D format, and we're going to change the depth of it, that's the heaviness part of the gray here, the depth to 12, and OK. So it's not as wide. Go ahead and click OK. Now that we're finished with the logo, make sure it's selected. We're going to save it for future use. So make sure you click it so it's selected. And we're saving this in the building block library. So if you right click on the logo, choose Save as Building Block, and the title will be Harris College. And then there is a description. Go ahead and fill in the title, Harris College. The description is word art brand to use in all publications. And then keywords is logo, brand, and Harris. And then you'll click OK. I already saved it, so you should be all set when you click OK. The next thing we'll do is we'll save and submit this. So this will be saved as Greyhound dollars table. Save and submit this, and then we're going to continue with part 2 in just a few minutes. Thank you.